All right, for this Ethernet issue with the voltage spikes and whatnot, I bought two lightning arresters and I'm putting one on each end. Now, I'll kind of move. Here's one of them. You can see right there. I don't know. You can see it's got the ground wire coming out. And the ground wire is going down the hole right there with all the other cables. This is the ground wire. Now the ground wire wasn't long enough, so I had to solder a length lead to it. And I'll go outside and we'll show you that ground wire. Okay, here's the ground wire that I'm running. You can see it's coming out through here with the other cables. And I've got it just kind of going through around here. And I'm tying it into the ground here on my cable box. Although I don't exactly know what that is grounded to be honest. Yeah, I'm not so sure that that's even grounded, to be honest with you. Well, yeah, it's grounded because it's grounded to this. This is grounded. Yeah, I suppose this is grounded, right? Yeah, it's grounded. I would say this is grounded. So I could tie it into here, or I could actually just tie it into right here if I wanted to. Interesting. Yeah, but I would say that this is a safe place to ground it because this is grounded up there, I believe. And yes, this box is electrically grounded. So this is grounded to this, and I actually took my meter, my beeper meter, and I beeped from right here to just the box itself. And I got good continuity, so this is grounded. So now I have a good ground on that Ethernet arrestor. So if there is transient voltages or just random high voltages in there, they have a ground to go to now. So that's very good. And on the other side, inside the shop here, now the reason why I ran the ground outside of the house there is because that house was built in the very early 50s and it is just not grounded. It's all white and black wire. So there's really no ground in the house. So I had to run it outside to get it to ground. That's why I did that. This shop, however, was built very well, and every outlet is actually grounded back to earth ground in the panel. So what I did here is I have my arrestor right here, and this side of it is going to my switch, and then here's the Ethernet coming in, and I'll just have a cable going from here to here. And what I did was I took an old cable and I just connected the ground lead to that. And now inside of this I have the white and the black wires cut about this far apart so that there's no chance that they're going to short together. And then I've got it nice and heat shrink all up. And I just plug that in to give ground in the outlet to that. So once again, the white and the black are stagger cut about this far apart. And then they are individually heat shrink, and then heat shrink is put over top of that. So it's very well insulated. It just plugs in. All I'm doing is accessing the ground pin for that. So that is grounded in here. And that completes the grounding of my Ethernet run. Now, eventually in the future, I've been getting a lot of advice about fiber and running fiber out, and I just didn't know about fiber. I don't know anything about it. I know it's not available in my area. Now, in the future, since I did do this through the ground and with PVC that I can just feed cable through, it won't be a problem running a fiber cable through from here underground to here. That won't be an issue. As you can see, I have used a good silicone sealer here to seal that. So it's really well done, I think. I'm really happy with it. And now I have protection on both ends. And most importantly, both ends are well grounded. So yeah, that's the update on my running Ethernet out. And basically, when I'm not using my computer out here, I'm just kind of unplugging the switch, the Ethernet switch. I just unplug it. When I'm using the Ethernet, I'll just plug it in. So that's it.